Yeah, all right. Um, though my eyes are as in heavy, but let me quickly run you through the stuff. Now, once you log into your Canva, you can see this is my own account here. This is my name. Then you can see create design. You can either click on this or you make use of this. Now, this was what I was telling you the other time. Look at these templates recommended for you. Now, under it, you can see medium rectangle presentation. Like you want to design something like presentation poster, Facebook cover. So the normal size of Facebook cover is already there. Facebook posts, like normal post. This one is Instagram post. Then if you come down, you see a lot of them. You can see this one, Facebook events, YouTube thumbnail. You understand? Just to tell you the kind of template they have. Then down here is add ads, like all kinds of ads, Facebook ads. You know the normal size for Facebook ads is 1002 pixel by 628. Though I usually use 600. That was before I started using Canva anyway. So like this one now, you want to create Facebook adverts and you want to use Canva templates, you come here. But if you want to use Facebook cover, you can come here. You get. So if you want to use Facebook event cover, you come here. You want to use Facebook header, you, you understand. So that's how it is. Then when you launch this, now it will now take you to all other templates. You understand that can be used for Facebook adverts. I hope my network is okay. Now it's there. Mm, Good. So it's here. Now you can see just by this side, you see different templates and you see free. The ones that does not come free, you see them there. You can see different templates. You just keep scrolling down. All these ones are free templates. So you can pick anyone and just keep scrolling. Like this one now. Look at these templates now. It's going to be a very nice one for what you want to do because it's like food. You understand? And don't be surprised that you can even change the background. You can change all the pictures. So that's how you keep scrolling down until my network is not really. I'm using Glo network, my phone network. That's why it's like this. So I can see one here. This is another one. Best lemon cake. You understand? You can see different. Look at this one now. Automobile. I like using this kind of templates, division templates, where I will just put my picture here. Then I'll put my whatever I want to put here, like call to action. Click here now and do this, or do you want to blah 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 blah. You understand? So this is another template that I like. You understand? So just choose anyone. So let me quickly pick one and put you through on how to. Let's pick this one for instance. So you click on it, and it will load here. Now it's here now. Now look at this place. This is layout. This is element. This is text. This is text. This is background, and this is upload. Good. This is the template you want to work with. If you click on this place now twice, you can see it means that you can edit what we have here. Look, recipes. You understand? You can decide to like move them around, move it back. You can move this, you can move it up. So it means that these texts are separate. You understand? Now this text is very big. You can change the font here. You can change it to something smaller, you understand, and you can even increase it, you understand. Then if you want to work on this one too, you do same thing. If you want to change the text, you can change it. So let's start from here. What can I do? Okay, let me do something. I want to change the um, 150,789 Nigerian men are are doing the show. Don't mind my this thing. I'm just trying to like now you can look at the way as in I'm dragging the text by holding them down and moving it around. Now, why you are moving is if you want to really know if you have centered it the right way. You see the line, the horizontal line and the vertical line. When they are aligned like this, you know that yes, it's centered. You understand, so that everything will not be. You understand. You can write anything here. Oh, don't mind my own this thing. Then this thing here, you can delete it by clicking on delete. You understand? Then this one too, you can delete it by clicking on delete. And if you need it, you can drag it up and down. You understand? To know more about it. Then the text, don't forget that you can like this click here now is a call to action. You can change the color to maybe red. Then this no, this figure too, you can change it to red. You understand? Then Nigerian men too can be red because they are the center of or the focus. You understand? Nobody will see this as a man and probably having one issue or the other that will not want to. Then that is that as per the text. Then what again? Background. If you want to change this background, for instance, you can come here, click on background. When you click on background, you can either search for pictures on Canva or upload your own picture by coming to upload after clicking on background. You understand? So you can search for, let's say, fruits now. You can search for fruits, photos. So can you see? This one is $1. This one is $1. That is if you want to use them. Then let's look for free one. Now, like this one, this one is free. This one is free. You understand? Don't forget that you can also upload your desired picture. This one is free. You get. So once you click on it or you drag it down, it will be. Then you can you see? Hold it down and let it give you your desired results. Then the text you can actually make it like something like this or bring it down. Then you can change the what's it called, the color for this. background color for this. Let's see. Can you see that it's a bit? Let's use this one. That will be more obvious. Can you see? So take it back to white. Can take it back to white. So can you see? This is how it's going to appear. Then if you want to upload the picture on your own, just come to upload. Look at the pictures I've uploaded myself. Just come here, upload your image. Upload your image. Let me see. Download, add copy. Then when you come to, let's say I want to use this picture for instance now. Upload. So it's uploading. You understand? Then I can click it twice and hold it down just to make it look okay. So the reason why the picture is like this is because the what's it called? The height is a bit bigger than our desired thing, but you can click on it twice, drag it down, let it show your desired. So this is awesome, right? It's awesome. So that's how it is. You can change colors. See, you can change colors. You can change everything. And if you have done anything and you are not happy with it, come here and click on undo. Undo. You keep doing that until you get your initial. Okay, let's redo. So can you see? And if you look at this place, like changing by itself. So this one is just shape element. Like if you want to just add something, you can just okay. This is free. This one is line. I need something like arrow pointing. Okay, let's see. Let me use this. So bring it there. You can duplicate this by clicking on this. Oh, what I've just done is to duplicate all the stuff. So just click on it. Yeah. I want to see. Okay. I'll have to drag it here again. Because you can add your number, you can just put anything, you can just put anything, you'll be good to go. Layout. This is just like, I think this is like how you want your, like this 2-in-1 this thing now. The layout. Then this is text. I've told you about that. I've told you about this. So those are this thing. And when you are done, you just come here and click on download. So you can choose your JPEG, whatever format you want to keep it. You want to send this to, then click on download. So in the twinkle of an eye, everything will download. This picture is credited to this person. So name it Faria demo. Then let me put this on desktop. Then save. So I think I've done justice to all the issues you are having. With this, I don't need to open your score and put it there again now. Alright, take care. Yeah.